This is a penetration test of some wet cardboard using three 7mm projectiles from two rifles. The first one on the left hand side is a 7x57 with a 160 grain Woodleigh protected point soft nose. The second hole is a 7x57 with a 154 grain Hornady interlock spitzer. And up here the third hole is a 7mm Remington Magnum with a 160 grain Woodleigh protected point soft point. And I'm now going to cut open the bale. And the two things I'm looking for are penetration, expansion, and which one expanded first and which one stopped first. So let's have a look. Okay, looks like the 7mm Remington Magnum is starting to expand, the first, followed by the Woodleigh and the 7x57, and the Hornady interlock is still going, it hasn't started to expand yet. Starting to get some debris around the entry hole here with the 7mm Remington Magnum and the 160 Woodleigh. Now the Hornady interlock, it's starting to expand as well. Nowhere near as much as the 7mm Remington Magnum. There's the 7x57 160 Woodleigh, the Hornady interlock, and the 160 Woodleigh and the 7mm Remington Magnum. So you can see here, we've got good expansion from the Remington Magnum, not so much with the 7x57, the interlock's holding together. We're well and truly halfway through the bale now. I think we've got about as much expansion as we're going to get, and we're just looking now to see which one pulls up first. Well, it looks like the interlock stopped somewhere back here. So is the Remington Magnum. The 7x57 still penetrating. Still expanded. The other two have stopped. Just swap sides. We're 2/3 of the way.
That shit's in the way.
We're 2/3 of the way through the bale now. And there's the 160 Woodleigh protected point fired by the 7mm 57. It substantially out-penetrated the 154 interlock, and the same projectile, the 160, fired from the 7mm Remington Magnum. So if you're using a 160 Woodleigh in 7mm, if you want expansion, put it in a 7mm Remington Magnum. If you want penetration, put it in a 7x57. Of course, this is just a test of cardboard. It's not a real test in the real world, but it just gives some comparison to start with. Thank you.